Imagine going on safari right in the middle of the jungle, the urban jungle, on the adventure of your life. Here, you'll drink in the views and hear stories of all creatures great and small. You'll dine like jungle kings and queens. And when you're full, and the moon is too, you'll go on a torch-lit adventure in search of wild beasts from all four corners of the globe. Then, with the adventure over, you'll retire to your tent. And as the animals roar, you'll dream about the day before. Taronga Zoo's Roar and Snore.